Hello there, Earthlings. It's world famous Vermana man to see you, Earthlings. Yes, that's right. Come straight from Vermana to see you again. Yes, that's right. Did you see my glasses case there? Yes, that's right. World famous. Why am I world famous? Because this YouTube channel, the Vermana man, set out to go 4 years ago. He came with a secret message. Yes, that's right. The secret message, as you know now in this pandemic, you're all wearing masks like this everywhere you go. Yes, that's right. And look at this. The secret message of our man who came into your planet, who is the most famous man in the whole world. Nobody else predicted that except the Varmana man, is to wash your dirty hands. Yes, that's right. I came up with a secret decoded message to wash your dirty hands. And I'm the only man in the whole planet came out and gave you that secret message. No other man species on earth can actually came up with that prediction. Except the Varmana man. And yes, that's right. I've given the evidence already to you guys. Yes, that's right. Hope you well and fighting fit. Let's get out these gloves because I don't need that. Because when you're the Varmana man, who needs gloves right now? Yes, you're all feeling a bit restless and a bit of stress as well. Yes, some people are a bit down as well. But don't worry, I'm the man who can solve you in this pandemic. Because I can do it. Anybody can, I can do it. Because I'm the Varmana man. Yes, that's right. Hope you're looking after your families, parents. Go and see your grandparents. Go and do a WhatsApp. Give a message. Say that you're caring for them as well. And help as much as I can. But anyway, as I said, I've come here to give you some help. Yes, that's right. It's all about your well-being. Yes, hope you're doing exercises as well and keeping the momentum going. So anyway, today I've came up with another recipe that we're going to be doing, which I'll be doing for you guys to see. But anyway, what we're going to do today is to help your body. Yes, that's right. I'm going to help your body to overcome this pandemic. So what the human body has, we're going to create, is called a serotonin. Serotonin is a chemical that has a wide variety of functions in the human body. It's sometimes called the happy chemical because it contributes to the well-being and happiness. It is mainly found in the brain. Yes, that's right. Let's make you happy because I can do that. And you know that. You got confidence in me because I'm the Varmana man. Remember, keep washing them dirty hands while I'm making this video for you guys as well. Yeah, no slip-ups as well. Anyway, so yes, as I said, serotonin, yes, it's a chemical that's used in the human body. And sometimes they call it the happy chemical. So let's make you happy. And today, let's get the Rotling of Ellen and see what we're going to make. Because I can do that for you right now. So today, let's get the famous Rotling of Ellen and see what we're going to make. So today, we're going to make the Vermana Cotton Candy Frappuccino. Let's make you happy, you Earthlings, because I can make it for you. Yes, that's right. So basically, with this recipe, you're going to need a flask like this, because this is where all the mixture is going to go and you can drink away and be happy again. Yes, that's right. Let's get your happiness back up to where it should be. And then we're also going to need a tablespoon of this raspberry flavor syrup. Yes, that's right. As long as it's some sort of raspberry, which we're going to make the cotton candy flavoring. Yes, raspberry will be just fine. And also, we're also going to use some whipped cream as well, fresh whipped cream, which we'll put on the top here, going right round when we've actually blended everything together. We'll also add these sprinklers on top as well to give it a bit of decoration, and add a bit of razzmatazz. We're also going to need half a teaspoon of sugar as well. We're going to put it in a mixture. We're going to need some ice cubes. These are nice little strawberry flavour, round flavour, but they're all going to be blended anyway. And then we're also going to need some milk as well. Yes, that's right. We're going to need some milk as well. And then we're going to need this famous ice cream as well. Vanilla ice cream will be just great. We're going to use 3 scoops of that. And then we're going to put all this in the blender as well. Yes, that's right. We're going to blend this for you guys to feel happy again. If anybody can, I can do it. Because I'm the Vermana Man. And you better remember that, guys. Because I'm the man who's the most famous man on your planet. Who actually predicted, yes, washing your dirty hands. Yes, that's right. No other man can touch me right now. Let's get up the snowflakes off me. Yes, that's right. Anyway, let's get on with this journey because I'm here again, back from Vermana to see you Earthlings. So let's get on and make this recipe. Here goes. Welcome back, Earthlings. Let's crack on with the recipe. So basically, we're going to put some ice in these little flasks here. Yes, that's right. Let's put these strawberry ices in the flask right now because all this is going to be blended. Yes, that's right. Centrifugal forces will be going in to this machine blender. Yes, that's right. That's just popped out. Let's put that back in again. So now we're going to need 3 scoops of this wonderful, delicious vanilla ice cream. That's 1 scoop. And this is a 2nd scoop as well. Let's put that in as well. And then we're going to put the 3rd one as well. If you got a bigger beaker, you can put more in as well. But anyway, that's going to be just right. Yes, that's right. Now, we're going to top it up with some milk as well. And we're going to put in the milk. And we're going to put the milk in there. Doesn't matter if you put much as you want or less as you want, but it's going to be all nice and drink. Look at that nice creamy nice white texture in there. Yes, that's right. It's looking just great. We might even put some more milk once I've actually blended the ice. We'll see how it goes. And now we're also going to put the syrup in as well because we need to make the candy flavor. Yes, that's right. Look at this wonderful nice rougey color. Look at that nice richness. Yes, 1 tablespoon of this wonderful raspberry flavor is going on here. But I'm going to make it, actually going to put a little bit more because I like a nice little sweet taste when I'm on Earth. Yes, that's right. We're going to close the lid and we're also going to put the sugar as well. Let's put this 1/2 teaspoon of sugar as well. So that's going in right now. And now we're going to close the lid there as well. Remember, you need a sharp one there because you're going to blend up the ice and everything else ice cream together. So now we're going to put this on the machine. Yes, that's right. Be careful if you need a grown-up to do this. Go and get some grown-ups to help you. But anyway, as they say, full speed ahead. Yes, that's right. Full speed ahead. Yeah. Yes, that's right. Vermana Man, it's all about speed. Making speed work for you guys because it works for me. Yes, that's right. Vermana Man, all this recipe makes for you. It's all about speed because it's all about being fast forward. Yes, that's right. On this earth, you need to be forward because you've got a lot of things to do. Here we go. Let's just see how that's come out. Might have to put some more flavoring in there. I don't know. Yes, that's right. But anyway, we're going to put a bit more flavoring in there because I want to make it a bit more rougey color. Yes, that's right. I said 1 tablespoon, but depends. You might want to put less, you might want to put more. But I want to make it a little bit reddish color, so I'm going to put some more in because I can do that. Yes, that's right. I can do that because I'm the Vermana Man. Because nothing's impossible for the Vermana Man. And you know that, Earthlings, as well. Because I can make the impossible possible. Just like magic. Yes, that's right. Let's put this back on there and start whisking it away. Yes, that's right. Let's blend this again now. And yes, that's right. It's all gone clockwise right now. So now, what we need to do now is to get your nice little container and we're going to put some in here now. Yes, that's right. I'm about to add a bit of colour on there. You can use either plain one, nice white one, and you can even use a syrup. Put it in a little cup and put some syrup around there and twirl it around like this, and you have a nice white. If it was a clear glass, you can have a nice colour contrast. But this is already reddish rouge as well. Yes, that's right. So I don't need to do all that. So anyway, what we're going to do now is we're going to put this mixture in here right now. Yes, that's right. Cotton candy flavour. Yeah, I'm only going to just put this much because I can use this. Look, I made quite a big volume because I need to get the serotonin on high volume. Yes, that's right. I need to get the serotonin high volume in the brain. Yes, that's right. To become more happier for you guys. So you want to be happy, so let's get cracking. And now, we also put the cream as well and go around. Doing the centrifuging forces going clockwise. Yeah, let's build up these wonderful layers right now. Yeah, you can put as much as you want or less you want. If you don't want any cream, that's up to you. But I'm going for the full package deal because I want to feel really good. So let's get this moving to the brim. Yes, that's right. That should be enough. I could probably do some more if I wanted to. Yeah, let's put a bit more as well and put some in there. Yeah, let's make a big avalanche. Yes, that's right. Let's make a big avalanche like Mount Everest in all the Himalayas. And then we're also going to put some of these sprinklers as well. Yes, that's right. I'm going to put these wonderful sprinklers to make some nice contrast as well. It's up to you if you don't like sprinklers. That's up to you. But I like sprinklers, so I'm going to be putting them on. Yes, that's right. Yeah, that's right. Let's put some of this other one as well on there. Yeah, let's get the serotonin levels right up sky high in this pandemic. Yes, that's right. Now look at that. Doesn't that look just wonderful? Yes, that's right. Just wonderful. So I'm going to put the lid back on here and then I'm going to do a taste off for you. Yes, that's right. We'll be back shortly for the Verminer man to put verdict on the taste off. So wash your face. Don't forget, don't go and wash your hands like I said. Don't go away. My earthlings, cheers to you. Yes, that's right. Cheers to you, earthlings, for you guys to come this far in this pandemic. Don't worry, be all over soon. Yes, that's right. Be all over soon, this pandemic. So let's give you the verdict. Yes, that's right. Let's give you the verdict on this famous, yes, Verminer cotton candy Frappuccino. The Verminer man's made this special for you. As I said, you can make this to make your serotonin levels high, to make you happy. You can have this at least twice a day. You can have one throughout the day if you want to. It's up to you. You can get together with your friends as well. Yep, depends on how many friends you're allowed. And depending whether it's 3 friends, 2 friends, or you can just have 1 friend, just on yourself, because you don't have to give it to anybody else. Ha 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 ha. Anyway, so what we're going to do now, we're going to give you the taste of. Look at this wonderful texture in here. Yes, that's right. It really looks really funky. Yes, that's right. It looks really funky, just like the Verminer man. Man who's up to date. Versace, Versace. Remember that. Versace, Versace. V for Verminer and V for Versace. Yes, that's right. So anyway, let's have a taste of and see what it tastes like right now. Here goes. Yummy, yummy, yummy for my tummy. I can taste the cream that's going right through my intestines and stomach right now, and it's tasting just fantastic. And I can taste the raspberry as well. Yes, that's right, through my lips. I can taste the raspberry, and I can taste the sprinklers as well. And I can taste also the vanilla as well. And you know what? I'm going to have some more. Because I can. Here goes. Cheers! So basically, this recipe is just fantastic. I can really taste the milk as well. It's really, if some people want to drink soy milk, they can drink with soy milk. Some people might want to put a different type of milk in, but it's up to you. It's all about your well-being. Yes, that's right. Didn't even take the Vomana Man to make. So if the Vomana Man can make it, then you lazy earthlings can make this as well. Yes, that's right. Let's get you back happy where you should be. And cheers to you. And this drink will be fantastic to get your happy levels up. So anyway, I'm sorry to say my time is up. Yes, that's right. My time is up and they need me back at Vomana because it's an emergency. And when it's an emergency, I have to go back. But don't worry, I'll be back again to see how you earthlings are getting on. To check up on you again. Yes, that's right. I have to go back to Vomana because we are going to be also going to be celebrating. Yes, that's right. We're going to be celebrating. Yes, we're going to be celebrating for milkshakes. Yes, that's right. We're going to have a milkshake competition to see who can drink the milkshake the quickest. And you know what? I'm going to take some of this back up to Vomana. This fantastic Vomana raspberry cotton candy flavor that I've just made for you today. But they're going to have to be quick because I might actually just drink it all the way when I get there. But don't worry, I can make some more as well. So anyway, subscribe to my channel, the Vomana Man, and my Instagram as well on the Vomana Man. And let's face it, the more people you tell about the Vomana Man, the better it's going to be. Because, let's face it, I am the most famous man on the universe right now. I came with a message, washing your dirty hands. So anyway, let's go and do this time of day now for some dancing. Let's get on your dancing shoes and do some boogie woogie because you need to start dancing and feel good. So let's play the music and let's get on with the dancing and keep happy because I'm smiling for you guys. If I can smile with my wonderful teeth, then you guys can smile as well back at me. So I'll see you soon, people. We'll see you again, earthlings. Don't worry, be happy. And cheers to you. And subscribe to my channel, Vomana Man, Instagram, Vomana Man as well. So see you later. Ciao for now.